In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Windows 10 x64 ISO file step by step in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. This is useful if you're setting up a new computer, reinstalling Windows, or just want to keep a backup ready. We'll be using Microsoft's official method so everything is safe and reliable. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft Software Download and press Enter. From the results, click on the link that takes you to Microsoft's official software download page. Once you're on the site, look for the section related to Windows 10 and click on it. This will take you to the Windows 10 download page. Here, find the option that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click on it. Next, click the button that says Download Now. This will download a small tool called the Media Creation tool to your computer. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file to run it. You may see a message asking for permission to let the app make changes to your device. This is normal. Click Yes to continue. The tool will now open. Take a moment to read through the license terms, then accept them to move forward. After that, you'll be asked what you want to do. Choose the option to create installation media for another PC, then click Next. Now you'll see options to select the language, edition of Windows, and system type. Make sure the architecture is set to 64-bit, which is the x64 version. Once everything looks correct, click Next. On the next screen, choose ISO file as the media type, then click Next again. You'll be asked where to save the file. Pick a location on your computer and confirm. The tool will now begin downloading the Windows 10 ISO file. This may take some time depending on your internet speed, so just let it run. Once it's finished, you'll have a Windows 10 x64 ISO file ready to use for installation, a bootable USB, or future backups. And that's how you download the Windows 10 x64 ISO. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.